In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customized checkout page in Kajabi. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your dashboard, how to switch to the newer enhanced checkout, and how to customize the look and feel so your page matches your brand and converts more visitors into customers. Start by opening your Kajabi dashboard and heading to Sales, then Offers. Choose the offer you want to work on. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new offer first. The checkout page is tied to each offer, so this is where all your settings live. Kajabi now includes Enhanced Checkout, which is the recommended modern checkout experience. It uses the same page builder style you're familiar with, so designing your checkout feels just like editing a landing page. If your offer is still on the legacy checkout, look for the option to upgrade to Enhanced Checkout. Upgrading doesn't change your product or your pricing. It simply unlocks the more flexible editor for this checkout page. With your offer selected, click Edit Checkout to open the editor. You'll be taken into a visual builder where you can see your checkout layout and make changes instantly. Think of it in two parts: the content your buyers read and the design that frames it. For content, customize your headline so it clearly states what they're buying and the outcome they can expect. Add your brand logo and a brief product summary to reassure buyers they're in the right place. Highlight the price and payment options, and, if your offer includes multiple plans, make sure the correct plan is selected by default. Consider adding social proof like testimonials or a short guarantee statement to reduce hesitation. You can also add helpful details like what's included, a quick FAQ, or trust badges that reinforce security and value. On the design side, adjust your colors and fonts to match your brand. Keep contrast high for readability and ensure your primary button stands out. Arrange sections so the most persuasive information sits near the form and the call to action. Use the preview to check both desktop and mobile views and tidy up spacing so everything feels clean and intentional. When you're happy with the page, click Save in the editor. If you upgraded to Enhanced Checkout, make sure that version is active for the offer, so buyers see your new design. That's it. Your customized checkout page is ready to use.